What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we just took these caps off the Tesla, and I'm going to show you guys how to install this guy. So I'm going to take one off in the front, and we're gonna prep it. Okay, so you got yourself a new cap. This is the Overeem. It's gonna make the Tesla look real nice. Okay, so it's gonna come with caps here. So these Tesla emblems. So what you want to do is first you want to remove this little red stick on. So what I like to do is you want to probably see, this is where the valve is gonna go right here. So you want to take this little guy and you want to probably align the T to that. If you want that to be in the bottom, you could do it the other way too. Tap that on. These are brand new, so you don't have to clean them or anything like that. So the next step here is, I did one already, and I did it wrong. I gotta redo it, but I'm fixing my problem here now. So what you want to do is you want to take this double-sided tape. You want to put it right here on the edge of this, okay, like sticking up to the part that's gonna touch. So you don't want to come up either. So it's gonna take you a good 5 minutes on one. So just keep twisting it, keep turning it, and do that. Once I'm done, we'll put it. So the reason why this got to go here is it's gonna prevent direct contact. It's gonna be soft and smooth contact instead of something solid. So hopefully the camera can see right there. So I'm like right to the tip. I'll show you guys how I got this at the end. So if you guys got a question where it goes, I'll tell you exactly where it goes, because I called up the Tesla to find this one up, and they didn't want to give me the answer, but we got ourselves an answer. Okay, this goes, okay, this thing broke off. So let's grab it from right here. Get off, other guy. So it's not a double-sided, but it's just a single-sided. The other side is just a soft cushion of material. That's all this is. So we're like halfway through almost. So here goes nothing. We're gonna continue this baby all the way. Try to get it perfectly as possible, and I'll show you where exactly I angle this at. They should have built this in the factory like this, so you didn't have to do this crazy stuff. But that's time and money, so obviously they're not gonna do it. So you want to do this when it's brand spanking new, okay? So right here I'm gonna cut it off. So here it is. So it goes to the edge and onto the tip, so it doesn't stick out, but right to the edge. So I'm gonna just squeeze all around. And now it's time for us to go in front of this Tesla and put this on. Let's remove this little guy and let's go to the front. Okay, guys, here goes nothing. So so you guys know where to put this, and it's time to swap up this little guy. You pull this guy, and I just want to let you know the T, they got it the same way we did it. So if you want to try to get it the same way, T is just facing down towards the valve stem, and this baby, it's gonna be more tougher with this one, okay? But it will go on. There you go. It will clamp right on, and there should be no noise. This is good. And I'm gonna show you a wrong one now, okay? I'm gonna take the camera with me though. So here it is. This is correct. No noise. Let's take a look at the one in the back, which is wrong. There you go. This is wrong.